the studio room. As you can see, all the prep work has been done. We pulled up the carpet. So we just got floorboards now at the moment. The skirting boards have come off. To be honest, they were kind of falling off the wall anyway, so they really needed to come off. And then we painstakingly took all of the layers of paint and wallpaper off both the walls and the ceiling, which wasn't a fun task to do at all, but it was a job that had to be done. And so this is kind of the state that it's in at the moment. It's going to be skimmed and plastered to make the walls nice and smooth so that I can come in and then obviously paint them. The plug sockets as well, so there was just one over here, and because of the positioning of the door, to put my desk there would kind of be a bit of a pain because the door would probably bang on my desk. As you can see from the window that I've got over on this side, it's a little bit dark, and as you can see over on this side of the room, the light is a lot better just from the positioning of the window, and there's also more space there for my desk. So I've had another plug socket just popped in over here. Also gives me more choices with obviously plugging things in, so I don't have to have extension cables and things running everywhere in this room. So now I've got the option of two. The flooring is questionable. This is just the floorboards. I don't know if you can tell, but they are quite creaky. They're also not even at all. This kind of comes up into a bit of a lump here, so that's going to have to be fixed because I'm hoping to put down some like laminate flooring to have it be like washable if there's any like paints around and things. I think that would just be easier for this room. But yeah, this is just the current state of the room at the moment. So not too exciting, but hopefully once all the messy jobs are out the way, it will be onto the more fun jobs. Setting up the studio and seeing it all come together was so lovely. I put all my books on my bookshelf and displayed my typewriter, my journals. I started building a little gallery wall there in the corner by my little armchair that I've got for like crocheting and things. I hung some fun pom-pom garland on my curtain pole because why not? I just love the colour that it adds to the room. I put my postcards and little notes from friends on the wall by my desk. I love to display things like this just with bits of washi tape. I have the cutest pink little crate for my notebooks that I'm working in at the moment, and then this clear acrylic drawer that I think is for makeup, but I just put my washi tapes in it and organised it by colour, which is so satisfying. So these are all the tapes that I've got as like a sort of go-to that I want to use at the moment, and you'll see here all the different ones that I've got inside these drawers. And I've got a variety of pen pots on my desk as well. These are plant pots and mugs that I've collected, and I just love the eclectic feel that this gives to my desk. So next to my desk I have a little art car or trolley that I got from Hobbycraft, and this one has 3 different sections. So this is really useful for storing things that I want to grab when I'm working on something. So on the top I have a little basket here that's like a washi overspill section, and then also things that I grab really regularly, so things like my stapler, my hole punch, corner punch, etc., different tools like that. I've got my Delphonics pouch in there as well, and also some stickers that I've been using recently, so it's just a really nice place just to grab things as I'm working. And then on the second shelf down, this is where I store all my paints. So I've got acrylic paints, watercolours, paint markers, you name it, it's in that section. I've got some inks as well, so that's what's in there. And then on this lower one I've got stencils, I've got some embroidery threads, a little bit of a mix. And then this is a cube unit that I actually painted sage green. It holds my yarn, my papers, and all manner of things that I really want to organise, so I might do a video organising all those things. So that is where I'm currently at with the Craft Room art studio. I hope you enjoyed coming along for the journey.